Alright guys, we got the exhaust two-step challenge going on. Working our way over. Everybody's getting ready, everybody's waiting. Get one right across it.
I like it. That's a good first effort. Blacked out. Love it. It's hot. Ooh, we have a prior champion present. This is a previous loudest exhaust winner. Do you remember what the figure was? 126 was your last. Oh, is this like the gold flake or is this the pollen? Is the pollen? Are you serious, dude? Can I write something on it?
Look at that thing.
Yeah, we didn't hear it on the end, man. Rev it.
Woo! STI version?
Beautiful wing. It's a 2012, and this is Nick's STI. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What's your install? I'll do it. Drive sanely, please, on the way home. Don't get pulled over. Don't get in an accident. Don't wreck your or your buddy's car or some stranger you don't even know, and then you have to get to know because you put them in the hospital or whatever. Just please drive calmly on the way home. Thank you for that. We need to make a hole. Okay, so
Wow.
we have results.
That's like
Just like that. See, yellow. You see far fewer bug eyes than I wish you did. Okay, this is Liam's, and this is an 03 WRX.
Honestly, this is amazing. I highly recommend coming here. Everyone who hasn't come here because it is freaking dope. If you love Subarus, you're gonna love this.